Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on 3 credit cards that you can soft pull pre-qualify for, and they show you your predetermined credit card limits. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you credit information no matter where you are on your credit journey, because on this channel we are about credit education. I am not credit repair. So if you are looking for that information to improve your credit score, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you watch out for scammers in the comment section. There are scammers all over YouTube using the content creators' photos. So make sure if I'm replying to your comment, you will see my name highlighted in gray. And to double check, just click on my photo to verify the subscriber count to the photo matches the subscriber count on this channel. So I also started a business channel. So if you guys are interested on learning how to make multiple streams of income, I have a channel dedicated to helping you doing that. So you can subscribe to that channel. The link will be in the description of this video, and hit the notification bell. I do answer your credit questions on Saturdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when I go live. So you're more than welcome to join me. So let's jump into this video. Now, with these credit cards, they're going to be a soft pre-qualification. And if you don't know what the term pre-qualification means, it means that you can get pre-qualified with no impact to your credit score. But when you are dealing with pre-qualifications, it's just giving you the green light to show you that you fit in that company's qualifications that they are looking for. But this is not always a guarantee that you're going to be approved. If you decide to process that application, you can still be denied. And whether you get approved or denied, it will be a hard pull on your credit. But the advantage of using that strategy is to prevent you from getting a bunch of hard inquiries just willy-nilly applying for credit. At least you have an idea if you're going to be approved. And if you already know, hard inquiries decrease your credit score, and you can be denied if you have a ton of hard inquiries for credit. I do have a free hard inquiry removal package at my website, and you can download that for free. The link is always in the description of my videos. Now, to double along with that, these 3 cards give you your pre-qualified credit card limit. So that is a great option. So you even know even further whether it is worth for the predetermined pre-approved credit card limit that you want to apply. So that is a great advantage for using these cards and strategies to see if you are approved. So we're going to go down the list of these 3 credit cards that offer those options. The first card that we're going to mention is the GM credit card by Goldman Sachs, aka Marcus. Now with this card, they are offering 10,000 points, and that's in the first 90 days if you spend $1,000. So that is one of their offerings. And they also have a 0% APR for the first 9 months. But after those 9 months, there will be an APR from a variable of 15.24% all the way up to 25.24%. But with this card, there is no annual fee. And with your APR, it will be determined by your credit worthiness. Now, with this card, in order for you to be approved, they will be looking at your TransUnion FICO 9 scores, and they will initially do a soft pull pre-approval. Now, from the information and data, the qualification and credit score for this card is going to be a 680 and up on average for the approval. So I already made a video on details with this card, and I even show you the step-by-step tutorial to get qualified for this card and how the system works. I will leave the link in the description of this video for this card. Now, the next card on our list is the Apple credit card. Now, that is also being offered by Goldman Sachs. Now, with this card, they do have an introductory APR of 0% for the first 6 to 24 months. Now, with that APR, it will change based on your credit worthiness after that introductory time frame, and it will be from 11.2% APR to 22.24% APR. Now, with the Apple card, it does offer 2% daily cash on purchases that you make anywhere else using your Apple card. It does give you 3% daily cash with purchases made at Apple and for Apple products. They also have different merchants that will also give you that 3% when you purchase at places like Exxon and Nike and a number of other approved merchants. Now, with the Apple card, it has to be soft pull pre-approved through TransUnion. Unlike the GM credit card, many people have announced that they got this card with a credit score as low as a 580 credit score and up. I even saw someone that said they got approved for this credit card with a 524 credit score. So it will be being looked at TransUnion, and with your credit scores, I always suggest if they're in that low tier category, make sure that you don't have anything that's reporting negative within the last 90 days. If so, even if you got the green light for the pre-approval, I would wait just in case. But you can see if you pre-qualify. I have a video that I will put in the link in this description that I already did on this credit card and show you the tutorial on how you can see if you pre-qualify and your predetermined credit card approval. Now, last but not least on our list is the third card, which would be the BlockFi credit card. Now, with the BlockFi credit card is very unique because it allows you to earn your cash back in crypto. And with this card, you're going to earn an unlimited 1.5% back in crypto on every purchase. The APR on that credit card is starting from 14.99% to 24.99% and is dictated on your credit worthiness. Now, with this credit card, they will be doing a soft pull approval through Experian on this card. Now, your credit score for this card approval to be safe would be a 680 credit score and up. But just like the other credit cards on this list, all three of them offer 0 annual fees on these cards. So it gives you still the option for you to see if you pre-qualify and your predetermined credit limit. Now, I did a whole review and breakdown on this card, and I also did a tutorial on how you would go through so you can see if you're pre-qualified for this card and your pre-qualification credit limit. Now, the advantages of all these cards is if you don't like what they're offering you for your predetermined credit limit, you can just deny the offer. Or some of these cards do offer that you can come back and still get that credit limit in a certain period of time, and it will be locked in and guaranteed. So with the BlockFi card, they give you that option, and they will give you a date in your email where that option for you for that pre-qualification will still be available. So this is helpful for you guys that are looking to acquire larger credit limits and looking to build your credit score. Always remember, you can use credit cards, especially if you are a person who have a credit score under a 700 credit score, to help increase your credit score without removing one negative item. But always remember, watch your utilization before you apply, and also always monitoring your credit to make sure nothing negative hits your credit report within the last 90 days. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.